It was fun. Dance and laughter for these Kameme Fm fans who turned up in large number for a live show where they came face to face with the Arauka and Changamuka presenters in Nyeri town. During the live action station, residents here were educated on use of right electrical cable from East African cables following the latest spate of fire in household as a result of using substandard cables. Speaking to Kameme fans, Gerald Gitau, company chief distribution manager, urged residents to ensure they use proper wire that are authorized by Kenya Bureau of Standards.
We've joined the Nyeri community and the people of Nyeri in general, and we are here with Kameme fraternity to be able to display our prowess in our production and selling of East African cables.
But politics too was not left out, due to the presence of Nyeri Town MP Wambugu Gunjiri.
It's important for us to remember to focus on what the president said yesterday. He was categorical. We really must stop 2022 politics because it's interfering with many things. Even when he has a handshake with someone, we start having conversations about 2022. And that has been my position as well. 2022 is disrespectful to the president. He still has 4 years to go before he leaves office. For us, we really must stop having conversations about 2022.
Fans could not hide their joy due to this rare opportunity. Joseph Omondi, K24 News Cut.